You searched how to buy shares of Vivendi. Vivendi is a French media and content group listed on Euronext with the ticker VIV.PA. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker VIV.PA to find the Vivendi listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing that matches the VIV.PA ticker. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to understand the listing. Confirm the page refers to Vivendi on Euronext before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your Vivendi position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The link to the example platform is in the description for reference.